The CDL program is a program focused on deep tech startups. We really help them accelerate both their commercialization and their internationalization from all over the world.
You have is the students engaging with the ventures on real-world problems, and then for the ventures, you have the students engaging as consultants. So it's an incredible opportunity for both of them to work together.
During the MBA class, we do have a lot of case studies which are based on real problems and past problems that the industries have faced. But those case studies are very structured. With the venture now, I do see a picture like a problem, and when I try to navigate through it, I see a second problem. So it's so uncertain, right?
Some of us come from technical backgrounds. As an engineer, I would have a good understanding of these startups, but then being involved in the MBA now, I'm getting the commercial side, so it's sort of combining both.
The founders, they have a lot of tech background, but they don't have a lot of exposure to the business side of things. And I think that is why us as MBA students come into the picture.
The program basically gives you a platform where you've learned these new concepts from the MBA. There is some learning that's allowed, which is good, especially from the student side.
They get to work with ventures who are on the cusp of cutting-edge companies that are changing the world, and to be able to be in from the ground is unbelievable.
CDL is a great opportunity for you, so we highly recommend you to check your opportunities with the CDL elective and the CDL certificate for your potential growth inside the MBA program.
Some great feedback from one of the students was that working with CDL brought together everything she had learned on the MBA, and it just tied everything together and everything made sense to her. So that was wonderful feedback that we love to see happening.